Hello everyone, so here we are making a watch with help of cardboard. So first cut out the cardboard and join them together just like shown in the video. After that just detail it with little bit and your clock is ready. You can put battery in there for working and it's done. Next we are taking a glass and then cutting out the glass just like shown in the video. After that color its back just like shown in the video with different colors and your spinner is ready. Next we are taking a bubble sheet. After that folding it onto a wood and then folding it onto a paper just like shown. And take a cardboard, cut it out and roll it out just like shown in the video. Then join the parts together and you can see your beautiful cute rocket is ready to fly. Next we are taking a sponge and with the help of bottle caps and some pipes we are here making a military toy tank, and by using some balloon and more equipments you see your tank is ready. You can use it for playing with it or for home decor also, and it's ready. Next, we are tying the balloon from the front and then cutting it from back and joining it with the roll, covering the roll with paper and then taking some cardboard and joining it together with that roll, and you see your cute shooter is ready to play. Next we are taking a paper and rolling it out and then cutting it as per the video. Now we are pasting some red stripes on top and then joining the pipes together. After that just repeat the steps again as we are doing here and then join it. Next we are taking some colored sheet. You can use any color you want. Here we are folding it as per the video. Now join the second part with the first part and then repeat the same steps with many of them, or you can use any color you want. Here we have used different colors and then join it together and just make a support for it so that it could be a beautiful home decor for you. Just join this together we are doing and then it's ready. Next we are taking some different colored sheets and then folding it and making a cute face on it and joining the other parts also so that it looks like a cute colorful snail. Next we are taking a red paper and then folding it out just shown in the video. After that making more of it and then joining them together also so that it look like a cute little plane, and then just give some more details like stars to it and it's ready. Next we have taken a paper covered plastic bottle and detailing it so that it looks like a rocket. You can use any color and it's ready. Next we are taking a yellow sheet. You can use any color sheet and then making a bunny with adding some little details on it, and then we are sticking a thread so that we can hang it on wall or use it as a wall hanging. Next we are cutting out some pictures and making it as a stickers, and then we're placing it in a black sheet, then pasting some green stripes and red hearts on this sheet and it's ready. Next we are taking some stripes of paper and then just pasting it out on this black sheet. After that we are sticking some planes on it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.